Hello, my name is Ryan McKay from Calgary, Canada. This is my final project for CS50's Introduction to Programming with Python. I've been using a Kindle e-reader for some time because the e-reader allows you to highlight text as you go, and then at the end of your book you can export a PDF of that text to yourself that looks something like this. So my program is one that will search a folder for any of these e-reader PDFs, extract all of the text, and then randomly select one highlighted entry. It'll do this 3 times, so you end up with 3 highlights from 3 different books, and then the program will write an email with the results and send it off. It's set to repeat itself at a defined interval, so you can have sort of a newsletter of your e-reader highlights sent to you by email once a week, once a day, whatever suits you. So here's what the program looks like. We have a short while loop, which defines the main function, and then 5 custom functions. One that will search the folder for PDFs, one that will get the random highlight and has a timeout function if things are taking too long, one that extracts a bit of text, extracts some information from that text, one that compiles all the text in a nice digestible format, and then finally one to send off the email. So let's see what that looks like in action. If we open up our terminal window, we type in python of ereader.py. The user gets some instruction on how to terminate the program if they want to, and then the program will start to generate these highlights one by one. There's one. If the PDF is long, it can take a bit longer, but now you have 3 and it says that an email has been sent. So I'm going to check my email inbox here. Yep, sure enough, there it is. Your weekly e-reader highlights. So after a short introduction that includes the date, you'll see the same 3 e-reader highlights that we just saw in the terminal window. Now the program is set to repeat itself, as I mentioned. Right now it's every 30 seconds, so we should see it fire up again here. There we go. It'll generate 3 new highlights and send off yet another email. So that's my final project. Thank you so much for watching.